Alright guys, let's jump into it. So I'm going to draw the missus here with the glasses. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So for this drawing right here, it definitely has an eggplant head. So what I'm going to do is draw a really soft shape. And I'm going to be thinking about an eggplant as I'm drawing it. Okay. The reason I'm doing that is so that it makes my picture easier to draw, because I'm drawing from a shape that I understand, that I know, and I'm not trying to make up something as I go along. So you can see my definite eggplant shape right there. Now what I'm doing here is I will draw my overall head shape. So I gotta know how my hair is being formed. So let's say I'm doing this and then I'm doing this. Okay, so this is kind of what's happening here. The hair is doing this, and then over the top is kind of coming in. Okay, and then here it's going to follow these lines, and it's going to follow those lines, and it's going to follow those lines. This is how you make this kind of hair right here. Okay, and then the same thing over here. We know the hair is flowing backwards. Okay, so we're doing like this. Where is it? It's flowing backwards here, and we already have our line there. Okay, so now we know that what we got to figure out what our middle point is. So we can just put a break in the middle, and then a break in the action here, and then all we do is we kind of fold it around like so and bring it back with a line that comes out. So when you draw this type of hair, you gotta draw with respect to, you gotta understand how things are formed in order for you to be able to draw them. Same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and put my hair is flowing outwards, and in here we can see that this also flowing outward. Okay, so then what I'll do is I'll put breaks in the hair, one here, maybe I'll put a break, maybe I'll put one here, and then I'll just go ahead and connect it. But I'm also going to use lines that flow outward to keep the bubbly look of the hair. Okay, just like so. Okay, and then we'll put some more little lines just to show you how it works. Okay, so you got to be thinking about that. Alright, now once we have it, we can put a little bit of hairline in there just to, you know, whatever. Alright, and now we can start working on our face, because that went pretty quick right there. Okay, because we got most of the caricature work done. Alright, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my eyebrows. So I'll go up here with a nice bubbly shape. So remember to keep everything nice and bubbly and roundish. Okay, see how I like to round my features off here, because that makes your caricature look a lot funner. You know what I mean? Now down here, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put my nose shape. Okay, because I notice her eyebrows and her nose are very far apart. So I want to establish that real quickly when I'm drawing this way. So I don't want to try to draw the eyes yet. I want to go ahead and put the nose in there. That's just the way I'm looking at it, because this is an observation of mine. So I'll go ahead and put a nice bubbly nose, and you can also see that she has very round shapes going here. If you don't do that roundness in there, it's not going to look like her nose. And then we want the glasses to sit very low on her nose shape. Okay, so we can get that. Those are the things that we want so that we can make it look like the picture. Alright, now from here I can't really see how her glasses are, but I mean I can see a little bit, but the reference is a little bit blurry, but we still can pull it off. Actually, I'll tell you what, we're going to go ahead and do the eyes first. Okay, so if we notice here, if these are here, then her eyes are really right to the side of this little bar right here. So what I'll do is I'll do a little bit of a shape right here, and I'll keep it round. Okay, see how I kept it round? And then I put a little eyes in there. So it's really, her eyes are almost literally closed. So that's really all we have to do. And now we have a place to put our glasses, which kind of sit right on the top of those two little shapes right there. Remember, drawing is not so much about drawing an exact feature. It's about relationships between the features. Once I learned that, I was like, boom, mic drop. Because I would spend so much time as an artist trying to make these exact features, but all I have to do is make them generally the same size, and understand and focus on the relationships, how far they are apart and how big or small those shapes are is really more important than how exact you draw the shape, is what I'm saying. Alright, so from here, now we want to draw what we what it looks like. Okay, what does that mouth shape feel like? Now, if you're not, once again, if you think of two of an exact shape, you draw something wrong. But this is exactly what it feels like is happening to me. Watch this. As complicated as that shape looks, look, this is what it looks like. Okay, watch. Doesn't it feel like her mouth is doing something like that? Well, if that's what it feels like, cool, draw it and then add lips to it. Okay? And then we'll do her round cheeks, right? Her round chin, her round cheeks here. And then we got a really good picture here. Okay? We can even add some little eyelashes there, just, for the fun of it. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and color in our eyebrows here. Okay. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of dark here to the side right here. And also right here to pronounce the teeth. Okay. And then we'll just make some straight lines across here. Everything looks nice and straight. Okay. So I think we got a really decent picture. So what I'm going to do is I'll do some shadows. Oh, wait. Let's put her shoulders. Okay, no problem. I know I made her with some big jaws down here, but she kind of has a big jaws, you know what I mean? We didn't have to make them that big, though. I know that she would. But this is a little bit of an exaggeration. Y'all know y'all don't normally get to see me do a lot of exaggerating, but I did one in this one. Okay. And I use some shadows to reinforce my shapes, right? See how that reinforced everything, pulled it all together, and then watch this. I can even chop off some of this by doing this. Watch. Okay, put a little border around the face, right? Bring my shape down in here, and then over here, once again, I'm coloring with respect to dimension, because I understand dimension. I don't have to do a lot of work. You got to know how something is built in order to draw it, is what I'm saying. That's the most important thing. How is it built? Then you can manipulate it from there. But if you don't know how it's put together, you're going to spend a lot of time sketching. When that random back and forth movement of your pencil trying to find your shape. It's not what you want to do. You want to keep it simple. See, look at this. This is simplicity at its best. Okay, see that? So we got a nice little quick fun cartoon, and then we can just go on to the next one. Okay, so guys, I want to thank you for watching the little video tutorials. Put some little reflections in there. I'll be posting some videos and tutorials some more soon. If you guys want me to answer an art question for you, draw something for you, right? Sing for you. I ain't doing that. Not allowed to sing. It's against YouTube's community guidelines. Okay. I'll go ahead and take care of you. Only joking, my friends. So thanks again for watching. And you guys have a blessed and wonderful day. Don't forget to sign your work. And I'll be seeing you next time. Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and
Happy penciling.